Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a Ford Fiesta with an upgrade that we did today. It's a Kenwood DMX8021DABS. This unit, because of the old technology in it, we've upgraded it now to have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wirelessly and wired. It's also used ACV fascia trim, which is a really nice finish. We've had to put the extra buttons in here for the hazards and lock and unlock. The unit itself has got a direct camera input, so I can just put camera on like that. It also comes on when you put it into reverse as well, so you know when you're parking you'll get an image come up. If I do that, there we are. Gives you the guidelines that are fully adjustable as well, so you can adjust these. You've also got digital radio and then FM as well. So there we are, you see there all the facilities. It's a really nice neat finish. All the volume control works. If you'd like to have this done in your Ford Focus ST, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900.